A cold front is set to bring stormy weather and plummeting temperatures to Texas this week. The National Weather Service warns of rain and thunderstorms as the front moves southward. The Texas Panhandle and North Texas, including Dallas-Fort Worth, are expected to see a significant drop in temperatures, with chances of rain throughout the week. South-central Texas, including San Antonio and Austin, will also experience a major cooldown, with storm chances on the rise. Despite the cooler temperatures, snow is only predicted for areas north of Texas. Residents are advised to prepare for the sudden shift in weather and monitor updates from local weather authorities. Stay updated to stay safe during this unpredictable weather event.